So today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone. All you're going to do is push the volume button up, down, and hold the lock button until it restarts. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you leave a like and please subscribe to the channel because every subscription helps me out a lot. This is all it takes for you to restart your iPhone. As you guys can see, it's turning back on. This is all you have to do. Like I said, if this has helped you out, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.